Greeting dear children. Now we are doing chapter 8th of class 8, comparing quantities. We were doing ratio, proportion and percentages. Now we are on the percentage and its application part. So be very careful to listen because it is having the most wide applications. First of all, let us recall from the previous knowledge, how do we change ratio into percent? When it is given, when we have to change ratio into percentage, this I had told in my previous video also, but if it is 1:4 and we want to change it into percent, so percent will be 1/4 into 100%. You might be thinking, why we are multiplying with 100? In maths, this is a very good thing that you should have logical mind. Why this? Why we are doing this? So you should know why I am multiplying with 100. If I will be multiplying any number with 100, it means I am changing the number. No, I am not changing the number. I am multiplying with 100 as well as dividing by 100. Just see here. If it is 1:4, 1/4 into 100 upon 100. If I am multiplying and dividing one number with the same number, then there is no effect on the number. Just see here. 1 into 100 is 100. 4 into 100 is 400. If I will do the cancellation, it will again be 1/4, na? 1/4. So, when it is out of 100, this which is in the denominator 100, it means out of 100. Out of 100 is percent. So I have multiplied actually with 100 and divided by 100, but whatever was in the division 100, denominator 100, that will turn into the sign of percent. So whenever we will multiply any number with 100, we must put the sign of percent. It is very important. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20. So 1:4 is 25%. Let us do one more practice. If it is, example, if I want to make anything else into the percentage, what should I do? See, if I want to change 3:8, if I have to change 3:8 into percent, what should I do? Percent will be, what should I do? 3:8 means 3/8 multiply by 100 and the sign of percent. Sign of percent means out of 100. 4 twos are 8, 4 25, 25 threes are 75 upon 2%. It is improper fraction, so we will change it into what? We will change it into mixed numeral. 2 threes are 6, 1, 2 sevens are 14, 1, 37 is to 1/2%. So how to change ratio into percentage? Have you understood this thing? Right? So you have to do this kind of questions also. Now the second step is, what should we do? Converting percentage into ratio. If the reverse thing is there, if we want to change decimal or percentage into ratio, how to do? Second step. Converting into ratio. Suppose it is given 75%. 75% and I want to change it into ratio. What is the meaning of word percent? Percent means out of 100. So if I have to change 75%, it means 75 out of 100. 25 3s are, 25 4s are. This is the fraction and I want to change it into ratio. So it will be 3:4. Right? Now, if I want to ask you, change 28% into ratio, do it. Change 28% into ratio. Try yourself. What we will do? 28 out of 100. 4 sevens the, 4 sevens the, and 4 25s the, and answer will be 7:25. Have you understood this? Right? If we have to change decimal into percentage, how should we do it? Convert. I am teaching you all the different things. Convert decimal into percent. These things we have done in our earlier classes also. I am taking 3 example decimals में. I am taking one 3.6, 0.425 and the third one is say 0.35%. If I want to change it into 0.35 and I want to change it into percent, one by one. 3.6, I want to convert decimal into percent. Percent means I have to change it into out of 100. If it is 3.6, it means this is 36 out of 10. Because there is a point and after the point there is only one digit. If there is one digit, so it will be changed as 36/10. You can say instead of decimal I am putting 1 and as much as the number of digits, same number of zeros we will have to apply. 36 out of 10 and I have to change it into percent. जब भी परसेंट बनाना होता है तो क्या करते हैं? वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 या फिर डिनोमिनेटर को 100 बना लो या मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 करके परसेंट का साइन लगा लो. तो मल्टीप्लाई विद 100 करके परसेंट का साइन लगाया तो व्हाट इज द आंसर? 360%. और अगर मैं ऐसा ना करना चाहूं तो व्हाट इज देयर? 0. This is 3.6. That is equal to 36/10. अगर 10 में से 36 है तो 100 में से कितना? तो 10 से ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. क्यों किया? क्योंकि मुझे आउट ऑफ 100 चाहिए. 36 10 द 360 आउट ऑफ 100 और आउट ऑफ 100 की जगह पे हम क्या लगाते हैं? 360%. तो ये बात आपको समझ आ रही है? तो we can convert decimal into percent. Next is 0.425. 0.425. In the same steps, if it is 0.425, how should I write it? 0.425 means after point how many digits are there? 3 digits. So 425 upon 1000 and I want to make it percent. Means multiply with 100 and put the sign of percent. 2 zeros cancel and because now it is 425 upon 10, I can write it as 42.5%. Is that clear? Now for this, can you tell 0.35 and I have to change it into percent? 0.35 means 35 out of 100. So it is already having the denominator 100. So I can put it as multiply with 100, put the sign of percent. So what is the answer? 35%. Have you understood this? So I am rubbing this. You have to do more and more practice. We are doing the percentage. If we have to do this kind of question, if 60%, this is the question in our book, this is the example in our book, if 60% of total students, are girls and they are 18 in number, then find boys and total strength of the class. Boys and total strength of the class. We don't know the strength. 60% of total students are girls, but total students are not given. Let total students be X. This is the solution I am doing. Let total students be X. So 60% of X. What is this? 60% of the students are girls. 60% of X is, and the number of girls is given to be 18. This is the number of girls. 60% of X and the number is 18. How to change it into the number? 60%. जब परसेंट का साइन लगा हो तो क्या करते हैं हम? We remove it and put the sign, put upon में 100. Means denominator turn into 100. Off की वजह से multiply sign and this is 18. So 1 0 cancel with 1 0 and I have to find X. So I will take this here. 18 into 10 upon 6. 6 3s are 18, 3 10s are 30. What is this X? This X is the total students. So it means total students are 30. It is very much clear. It is given. Girls number is 18. Now can you find the number of boys? How? By simply subtracting. From total students, if we will minus the number of girls, then boys number will be coming as 30 minus 18, 10 minus 8 is 2, 2 minus 1 is this. So boys number is 12. Have you understood this? So these are the practical questions. How, where the percentage is used, but where else percentage is used? Now your PT2 exams are over. We find the percentage. I got 98% marks, 90% marks, 80% marks, 70% marks. पर मार्क्स हमारे 100 में से तो नहीं होते, तो फिर हम परसेंट क्यों लगाते हैं? कि जितने मार्क्स अभी आए हैं वो उनको अगर 100 में से कन्वर्ट करते कि आउट ऑफ 100 हमें निकालना होता तो हमारे परसेंट मार्क्स कितने आए वो होती है हमारी परसेंटेज. करके दिखाऊं इक्वेशन? लेट अस डू. अभी हमारे 50 मार्क्स के पेपर हुए, 50 मार्क्स के एंड देयर वर 6 सब्जेक्ट्स. हाँ, आपके 6 सब्जेक्ट्स थे, इंग्लिश, हिंदी, मैथ, साइंस, एसएसटी एंड संस्कृत. यू हैड 6 सब्जेक्ट्स. तो अगर आपके 6 सब्जेक्ट्स के 50 मार्क्स के टेस्ट हुए तो आपके कितने टोटल मार्क्स थे? 56 था 300. अगर आपके 300 में से इफ यू गॉट 250 marks out of 300, What was your percentage? So this is the practical application, huh? What was your percentage? Can you find out how to get the percentage? Solution is, so after this question you will be able to find your percentage yourself. Whatever are your obtained marks out of total, and we have to change it into percent. Two methods are there. You must know why I am doing this. Out of 300, obtained marks are, out of 300, obtained marks are 250. Out of 1, obtained marks are, this is called unitary method. Wherever we ask for कि 1 में से कितना, तो ये यूनिटरी मेथड होता है. आउट ऑफ 1 ऑब्टेन मार्क्स आर दिस अपॉन दिस. ये ऊपर का ऊपर रहेगा, ये चीज अपॉन में. 250 अपॉन 300. आउट ऑफ 100 ऑब्टेन मार्क्स. परसेंट का मतलब क्या है? परसेंट. आउट ऑफ 100, तो मुझे ये निकालना था आउट ऑफ 100 मेरे मार्क्स कितने आए. तो जो ये है इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई. जब भी 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या साइन लगाएंगे? परसेंटेज का साइन लगाना जरूरी है. सो टेक केयर. सो दिस इज कैंसल. 25 टेंस आर 250 अपॉन 3%. करके देखें. 250 अपॉन 3. 3 8 दा 24. डिवीजन तो सबको आती है. 25 माइनस 24 इज 1. ऊपर से आया 0. 3 3 जा 9. 1 फिर 0.3. ये कभी खत्म नहीं हो रहा. फिर 1 फिर this. तो my percentage is nearly 83.333%. So have you got? So if I got 98% marks, तो बताओ मेरे कितने मार्क्स आए होंगे? Can you find out? If I got 98% marks out of 300, find my marks. You also do. Hurry up. If I got 98% marks out of 300, 98% marks out of 300, find obtained marks. Find obtained marks. 98% का मतलब है out of 100. Marks are 98. Out of 1 marks are, यहां वाली चीज यही, ये अपॉन में. 98 अपॉन 100. Out of 300 marks are 98 upon 100 into 300. 3 is the 24, 3 9 is the 27. It means how many marks I got? 294. Have you understood? So this is the practical application. और इसको इसी क्वेश्चन को करने का एक और मेथड भी है. 98% marks out of 300. 98% of 300. कैसे करें? 98% हटाया तो अपॉन में 100. ऑफ का मतलब मल्टीप्लाई 300. तो यहाँ एक ही स्टेप में काम हो गया. तो ये भी हमें समझ आ गया. जो मेथड आपको अच्छा लगे हम उससे कर सकते हैं. तो ये मेथड परसेंटेज का प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन मेथड है. ये तो हमने यूनिटरी मेथड से करके देखा. सो बोथ आर इक्विवेलेंट मेथड्स. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? So shall we start now book questions? One more thing I will teach you in my next video. Till then, try yourself.